friends, welcome back to my channel Harji Creations. In this video I would like to describe a very pretty knitting stitch pattern. Friends, this pattern can be used for making any knitting project like sweater, jacket, scarf, shawl, etc. From the right side it looks like this. And from the wrong side it looks like this. Friends, it is a 4 rows repeat knitting pattern and stitches needed for cast on are the multiple of 1. So let's start the tutorial. Friends, before starting the tutorial, if you really like my video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to receive the notification of the upcoming video. Friends, for the demonstration I have cast on 15 stitches on my needle. So let's start the first row of the pattern. Right side, slip the edge stitch. After that our pattern will be start, and the pattern is make one stitch from the space between these two stitches. From here, insert a needle here and make one stitch, shift into the left needle and then slip this stitch and next stitch into the right needle like this. We will repeat this pattern in the whole row, and the repeat pattern is make one stitch from the space between these two stitches from here like this, shift into the left needle, then slip the make stitch and next stitch to the right needle. Repeat one more time. Make one stitch between these two stitches from here, insert a needle here like this, make one stitch, shift into the left needle and slip two stitches like this. So let's complete this row by repeating this pattern. Make one like this, shift into the left needle, then slip two stitches into the right needle. One more repeat. Make one stitch from here, shift into the left needle and then right needle. Again make one stitch by insert a needle here like this, then shift into the left, then again insert a needle here and make a stitch like this, shift into the left needle and then slip two stitches into the right needle. One more repeat. Make a one stitch from here, shift into the left needle, then slip both stitches into the right needle. One more repeat. Make a one stitch from here, shift into the left needle, then slip both into the right needle. Again make one stitch from here, then shift into the left needle and slip two stitches into the right needle. Then again make one stitch from here, shift into the left needle, then slip into right needle. Then again make one stitch from here, shift into the left needle and slip both into the right needle. Then make a one stitch from here, shift into the left needle and then slip both stitches into the right needle. In this way we will complete our first row. At the last is our edge stitch, so knit the last edge stitch. Second row, wrong side, slip the edge stitch. After that our pattern will be start and the pattern is yarn in back. Now knit 2 stitches together through the back loop like this. We will repeat this pattern in the whole row, and the repeat pattern is knit 2 stitches together through the back loop. Repeat one more time. Knit 2 stitches together through the back loop. Knit 2 stitches together through the back loop. In this way we will complete our second row by repeating this knit 2 stitches together through the back loop in the whole row. In this way we will complete our second row. Last is our edge stitch, so yarn in front, purl the edge stitch. Third row, slip the edge stitch. After that our pattern will be start, and the pattern is knit 1 stitch through the back loop. We will repeat this pattern in the whole row, so knit the whole row but through the back loop. Knit all stitches through the back loop in the third row. So let's complete this row by knit all the stitches through the back loop. Last is our edge stitch, so knit the edge stitch. Fourth row, wrong side. Slip the edge stitch. After that our pattern will be start, and the pattern is purl this stitch. Friends, we purl like this, but in this row we will purl like this. So purl all the stitches in the fourth row but like this. Yarn from here. And last is our edge stitch, so purl the edge stitch as usual simply. So friends, after the 4 rows our pattern is ready like this. We will repeat our 4 rows for the desired length of the pattern like this. Friends, I hope you will like my video. Thank you for watching my video and enjoying knitting with us.